Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get a physical address in USA for you to ship your items. Alright. So if you are an importer or maybe you are into drop shipping, you can. This one is very important to you. Alright, so you can use it. So, but please, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel ABR Tech. You share the video, like and comment. Alright, so this is really for um drop shippers, all right, or maybe drop services, all right. In case you have items to shop from the US or maybe the United Kingdom, you can have a physical address in the United States for them to be shipped to, then they forward it to your country of residence without problem, all right. So this video we're going to be using the service called Shipito, all right. So but please, before we go on to this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, alright? Please subscribe. It's so important to us, alright? So please don't forget to subscribe. You drop a comment about this video, then you share with your friends, then you like the video, and also please, the most important, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, alright? So the company we're going to be using is called Shipito. Ship it to, alright. So the most important thing about this ship is they say buy what you want, we will ship it to you, alright. That is the generic name. That's exactly the generic name, which is called ship it to. Alright, so we're gonna be shipping it, they are gonna be shipping it to you. To sign up, you click on the sign up button. Alright, so when you click on the sign up button, then you follow the procedure as it is on the website. No, it's not hard, it's as simple as that. So please, if you're confused about anything, don't forget to drop a comment. We are ready to answer you to any extent. So please follow the procedure, the screen, everything you're going to be seeing on the screen is quite right. Okay, just follow it. Thank you. But please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.